welcome to episode 3. Car is up for sale right now, and let's get right into it. So we added the front lip to it, we added brand new black mirrors, we added the carbon fiber duckbill. Of course, we had to have rims. We have the circuit wheels with really good tires on them. We have the lower control arm, complete setup, coilovers, of course, camber kit, truhart camber kit with a 3-inch exhaust with a vibrant muffler, traction bar, the whole 9, guys. This thing is fully loaded. It's got the A2 swap in it, RBC manifold, upgraded karcepts fuel system, blocks, throttle body, headers, of course, clutch and flywheels upgraded, LSD transmission, engine mounts, shifter bushing kit upgrade from hybrid racing. Like I said, this car got everything. Guys, I will drop everything in the description about the car and all my contact info. If you guys are interested, definitely reach out to me. I'll answer any questions, and please, serious inquiries only. Thank you guys for watching. Stay connected, and see you guys in the next one.